Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Garuda Mokka edition on VMware Workstation. Okay, so first download the Garuda Mokka edition. Go to Garuda Linux.org. It is the official website. Click on downloads. See here we have the editions like Garuda Mokka, DR, Gaming Edition, Cinnamon, XFCE and Sway editions. Okay, so in this video we are going to download and install this Garuda Mokka edition, and it has these many features. Okay, so click on download. See the requirements: 30 GB space, 4 GB RAM and other. See here we have the different downloads: direct ISO from the SourceForge and torrent. So it is up to you. I am going to download by using direct. Click on direct. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is 2.9 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded Garuda Mokka edition. Okay, so in your case wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Click on new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Either is fine. Then select the installer disk image file, that is ISO. Then click on browse and select the downloaded Garuda Mokka edition. See here I have the Garuda Mokka Linux ISO file. Select it, open it, click on next. Select the type as Linux and version as, select Arch Linux. If it is not there, then select other Linux latest version. Then click on next. Then provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving Garuda. Name can be anything. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on browse and set the path where you have the enough space. Click on next. Then provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. It is up to you. Sorry, now we have to select the memory. See, by default it has selected as 768 megabytes. So I am going to increase it by clicking on this customize hardware. I am giving 4 gigabytes. Then click on close. See, now it is changed. Okay, click on finish. See, we got the virtual machine, but still if you want to edit the settings of this virtual machine, click on this edit virtual machine settings, or right click on this virtual machine settings, or go to VM and select settings. All three options are same. Okay, now click on power on this virtual machine. See, now select the boot with open source drivers, or if you want boot allowing proprietary drivers, select this NVIDIA option. I am going with boot with open source drivers and hit enter. See here we have different options. Okay, so if you want to use this for testing or demo purpose, you can close this one by clicking on this button, but if you want to install it permanently, you have to click on this install Garuda Linux. Click on it, select language and click on continue. By default it has selected American English. If you want some other language, you can select from this list. See, I am going with American English. Then click on next. Select your region or location from this old map or globe, or you can search from, or you can select from this region and the zones. Okay, and these options I am not going to change, so click on next. Keyboard layout I am going with the defaults. Click on next. See, this is a fresh installation, so I am going to select erase disk. Then click on next. Now we have to create or set up user. So I am giving username as Arthurschools. This is the user full name. This will be the username. Then here we have to provide the computer name or host name. Later also we can change this name. Then provide the password. Confirm the same. Then use the same password for administrator's account. So select the checkbox. It is up to you. Then click on next. See, ready to install. See, these are the configuration information. Still if you want to modify the setting, just go back by clicking on this back button. Okay, I am okay with these settings. Then click on install. This will be the confirmation. Click on install now. See, installation has been started. This will take time, so I am going to pause this video. Once installation completes, we will perform the post installation steps. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, all done. Garuda Linux storing has been installed on your computer. You may restart into new system or continue using the Garuda Linux live environment. Okay, so I want to restart to finish the installation. So select the checkbox, that is restart now, and click on done. Now provide the password of this user that we have created. Hit enter to log in. Garuda setup assistant, I don't want anything, just cancel it. Okay. See, before we were having installed Garuda Linux on this welcome to Garuda Linux welcome page. Now it is gone. Okay, and if you want to set up Edge Assistant, you have to click on here. I'm not going to, I don't want anything, just close this one. Then open terminal. See, you got the information about the Garuda Linux. Okay, if you want to verify the IP of the machine, just give ifconfig. See, this is the IP of the machine, 192.168.106.204. Okay, if you want to verify the version, more/etc os-release. See, we have installed Garuda Linux. Okay, now if you want to update the packages, Ctrl L, sudo pacman-caps yu and hit enter. See, we can also run this Garuda update. Okay, so I am okay with that one also. Type and hit enter. Provide the password of the current user, that is sudo user, hit enter. See, it is updating. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Garuda Linux Mokka Edition on VMware Workstation. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.